This is the first mainstream film to be made in the Gujarati language called Megh Dhanushya, which means the colors of life. Megh Dhanushya means a rainbow. I have been there as a commentator in that film, and my colleague, who is a co-founder of Lakshya Trust, Sylvester Merchant, is also a commentator in this film. This film, we managed to get a certificate, census certificate, though there are no scenes in this film which can qualify it to be an adult film, but yet they gave us an adult certificate, which we accepted it. Well, we were about to have a premiere. I mean, in fact, we had a premiere show, and in Gujarat, the film industry is not doing that well. And that's the reason government of Gujarat decides whether or not to give entertainment tax relief. Because if entertainment tax relief is given, then the tickets could be subsidized, they could be sold at the cheaper rate so that they can attract more audience. So with that aim, the film producers, they went to the entertainment tax department and applied for a rebate, an exemption. And the commissioner, he happened to read the whole script and all that, and he said, well, this film doesn't qualify for exemption because it is illegal. I mean, whatever arguments he has stated is absolutely absurd. He has said that, I mean, and that time the Delhi High Court judgment was in place and the Supreme Court judgment had not been heard. And in spite of that, he says that what this film is portraying is you all are trying to spoil the society by showing films like these and spoil our culture. And he went on to say a lot of things which he himself was not knowing. In fact, the producers also told him that there is the Delhi High Court judgment. He says, I don't even know. He says, I don't even know there is something like 377. And it's a responsible IAS officer and Indian Administrative Service officer who made these kind of claims that he's not even aware that something like this is there. For him, it is just against. It's not it's spoiling the culture of Gujarat. Kind of. So he says, I can give you this exemption only if these two commentaries by myself and my colleague, they're removed, and the words hijra, homo, gay, all those things should be removed from the film, and then only we will give you the entertainment tax exemption. And so then the producer has moved to the Ahmedabad High Court. The matter is being heard by the court. We have the full evidence. In fact, his voice has been recorded while he was talking, and we have a lot of evidence in our favor, which is against him because he has contradicted a lot of. In fact, we even told him that the government of Gujarat is supporting and financing a project for HIV/AIDS and intervention for the MSM, and he says, "Oh, I don't know about that." And in fact, we even shared with him our contract with the government. That our contract says that it's a project for a community-based organization called Lakshya, which is working for the MSM. And how can you say that he's gone against the government? So that way we have a lot of evidence against him. The media, fortunately, again has reported in our favor, and this time it's not just the English newspapers which has reported in our favor. Even the very famous popular magazine called Chitralekha, which is the world's most popular vernacular medium magazine and goes all over the world, has carried a wonderful article, and it's totally supported us. So media is also in our favor, and I'm very hopeful that we'll manage to win this case.
Actually, it's also, I think, each state, because it's a very state, that particular entertainment tax is more of a state concern. So it again depends on how conducive as a particular state or something. I'm not saying Gujarat or this one, but I know like a film like that possibly in Maharashtra could stand a better chance because the government possibly is more. But again, like I mean, it's about HIV/AIDS. There's much more openness. But when it comes to actually gay or transgender issues, particularly, there's much more closed doors. When we come back, we're going to have a feature film, Call Me Kuchu, and we're going to have a short trailer of Breaking Free, which is about Section 377. And we're going to have a panel discussion with Ashok Rao Kavi, Nargis Wadia, and Urmi Jadhav.